We have a huge announcement this year. We are officially joined in and partnered with Magnaflow.
What?
Hey guys, welcome back. We just got back from, where'd we go?
Vegas.
Yeah.
Lost a bunch. I'm just kidding.
No, we actually gained a lot. We all walked away
We
as
were inverted.
winners.
Yes.
Which is not usually what happens in Vegas, but SEMA was a wonderful year. I think it's one of our best years we ever had. One of the big things is, besides being able to hang out with our friends, and I got to be a judge again this year for best product of the year for Future Tech. Congratulations to Dynam Labs on the VCU. That stuff is awesome. We like to see the innovations and other things that people bring to the table for, especially for the Future Tech stuff. It's kind of exciting for me to go behind the scenes and see it too.
And it's fitting. I heard nothing but good things about Dynam Labs, VCUs and stuff. A couple of people just said it's nice to build a car and just everything works right away. There's not a whole bunch of like, I got to resend this and get it reflashed or whatnot, or change wires because things are old.
And that never happens.
No.
It's like, this has been, with everything we have here, it's always, and it's getting better, which is awesome.
It is.
And that means a lot to the people that are building cars. It's going to be a lot easier for you guys to do this in the future. And that's
The trial and error is finally paying in this industry.
And people like you have done a lot to help that, and Dynam Labs and everybody else involved. So we're really excited to see a lot of the innovations. Top Golf was fun.
Yeah, we got to swing the wrenches.
Yeah, and then the guy behind the camera, oh man, those
took us
legs.
to school.
You see those legs on that guy?
He took us to school with those calves.
Those calves. You got to see his calves. There's like they split down the middle. I think we'll get a slow-mo in there for you.
He's so disappointed with us right now.
He's shaking his head. Always, Dan, you kill it at Top Golf. We got to be on the Trick Factory podcast. Big shout out to those guys. Love you guys up in Canada. Great facility. I was talking to them. They are one of the only 3 installers that we kind of approve of. Trick Factory being up in Canada, they do phenomenal work. Al at AVS Fabrication,
Yes.
and Jeff at Sonoma County Hot Rods. Like, those are the 3 premier shops that we know that we actually, if you want a car built that looks like $1 million and is done correctly, those are probably the 3 best top shops ever, period. We had Anthony's Corvette out there.
It was so good looking.
Best EV I've ever seen, period. I think hands down was awesome.
Yeah.
You worked on that. I worked on that. Anthony put a great deal of that.
That thing came together so well. And he had the mirrors underneath it. You walk around and you can kind of see everything that was underneath there. That Art Morrison frame, I think he has.
Chassis on that.
All of Al's plumbing work and our contactor box under there it was good looking.
Tremendous amount of detail. The billet work too. It really complemented our motors. I love to see us in builds that really take it to the next level. The Mustang was one of the first one out, and we really try to focus on the aesthetics. And when you open the hood, there's something there to look at. There's a lot of EVs. I'm not going to mention names, but you open the hood and either you can't see anything or it's kind of a mess.
Yeah.
And that's kind of the stigma I want to get away from here at Revolt Systems. Is I want to be able to pop the hood and people go, "Whoa!" And Anthony's was definitely a GameStop.
It was conversion with nothing to hide.
Yes,
Basically what it was.
Yeah, exactly. And when you hide stuff, it means you're hiding stuff. So great job there by Anthony Valentino. There's a bunch of really cool builds there. Current had a really nice Revolta. We had Rob with his Legacy EV truck. Those are all cars that our motors was featured in, and also your products.
Yeah, some contactor boxes and harnesses and stuff. And then,
Yeah, so we got a lot of synergies there. Big shout out to everybody at SEMA. Moving forward, we're going to be basically going into a lot of different directions, and you'll see our products in a lot of different booths.
Yeah.
We have a huge announcement this year. We are officially joined in and partnered with Magnaflow.
What?
We got those really cool exhaust tips coming in for your EVs.
Yeah.
Before you guys laugh too loud on that one, yes, we've been joking about Magnaflow for years. They're actually right across the street from us. And every time we drive by, we're like, we need a sponsorship from Magnaflow because it's silly.
No.
Well, about 3 years ago, Magnaflow and I started to talk about other things. Don't worry, they're not speakers to make your car sound like a V8. I think it's lame. I don't like that stuff. That's my opinion.
It's like that new Charger Daytona, the EV from Dodge.
Yeah.
You cannot turn off the speaker.
Oh, no, you can't?
You have exhaust at all times. Pumped out and in exhaust sounds.
Lame.
To each their own, but no, I think the noises these things should make are just gears. Gears and tires is all you should hear, right?
Yeah, I'm not into the fake stuff.
Yeah.
So if you guys like it, cool. Not my cup of tea. But anyway, back to Magnaflow. So we are officially not just sponsored by them, but we are now a partner of theirs. We have a lot of cool things going on. More to come on that. I couldn't ask to be part of a better team. I mean, they are the most special company I've ever dealt with. This is nothing new for me with them. As I said, we've been going back and forth with them for about 3 years. After I've met the owners, after I got to see the company and how it operates, it's still owned and operated by its original people. It is 100% family-based. Jerry, which is the guy that founded the company, he comes in every day, and I think he's in his 80s.
Dang. One of those guys where you can't stop, otherwise he'll stop.
No, Jerry Pallone is amazing. Just hearing his story, he spent about a half an hour, and Dad and I just talking about like how he came to this country and immigrated, and it's just so cool to hear somebody that is started from nothing and came to this country, like true American story of immigration and doing it right and just busting your ass to build an empire. So Magnaflow is not just an exhaust company. They make a lot of cool stuff. They bought Camberg a few years ago. So they own basically an off-road racing company. They're making suspension shocks.
Yeah, they're a company that knows how to do partnerships well. I used to work at Throttle, and they always took care of them. You know, they kind of exchanged, things that they could do for each other. We brought them a cool car that they could develop an exhaust kit for, because that's what they're known for. But then they also returned the favor. I mean, it's a really, really good foundational company that helps other companies like Revolt and like Camberg and all them just to build an all-around solution for cars and other things, not only cars.
Yeah, I think out of all the companies at SEMA, if I had to just pick one to go, I want to hang out with those guys, it'd be Camberg and Magnaflow, because I mean the Camberg with the off-road racing. I love off-road. I know I got a car here. This is going to change soon. We're going to go back into the dirt and get dirty again. Dan's nodding his head behind the camera because he loves off-road. He's got a Tacoma. Untraveled side. He takes his kids out.
Dang, you downgraded.
I know. They're both giant now, so it's kind of hard to tell the difference.
That's true.
Emotional, damn it!
And he's got the cool Tundra with the
Last one with the V8.
Yeah. So we're going to be doing a lot more of that kind of stuff.
Yeah.
We got some really neat projects coming in. We are going to be dealing with jet engines. Turbines. I mean, the only thing that sounds better than a screaming V8 is a jet engine, period. I think that's the coolest sound in the world.
That's good. They got good soundproof in our neighboring suite, so we're not going to be annoying them too much.
I think we're going to be
We're going to start the thing up every chance we get.
I mean,
there's going to be no reason to not turn it off.
Our buddy Hot Dog, Pete, that he does Wiener Wednesdays. Mm-hmm. I told him we're going to roll one of our turbines over there, and we're going to actually roast hot dogs on the exhaust.
Yeah.
So a lot of fun things coming up there. Sorry, I got to read off this because we had so much going on at SEMA.
Yeah, 2 pages?
I know, 2 pages. I mean, even the family that Magnaflow has developed over the years with people like Chip Foose and everybody.
Yeah, all the Rollins that are hanging around and everything?
Yep, Rollins was there. We got to go to the family dinner, Dan and I did, and just you're sitting there with the most legendary people in the automotive industry, whether it be racers like Mario Andretti was there, all the way to the celebrity people. So you got both worlds in front of you, and Dan and I looked at each other at one point like, this is really cool.
And again, you don't get there by not being a good partner to everybody that you bring under your umbrella. So it just again goes to speak to the history that they've built and the future that they're building.
Yep, and we're really excited about that. We're going to keep doing what we're doing. We got some really exciting projects coming in. It's going to blow your mind. The EV stuff is cool. We love the EV stuff, but we are transitioning into more technical things, jet engines, and all this crazy power to come. So stand by, like, subscribe, put your comments down below. We're going to piss off a lot of EV guys with what we're going to do next, and that's fine because we've been making the gas guys pretty pissed off for the last couple of years. But hey, we're here to shake things up, have a lot of fun, and the future is going to be very interesting, so stay tuned.